slam my axe. Get it back.
Isaac got his new soccer trainer for his birthday.
Whoa! Boing, boing.
Do your drills too. Trap. Let me see your hat. Happy birthday. Alright, let's see some moves. Do some juggling. Trap it. Don't act like you just kick it.
I can't juggle.
Try on your knees.
On my knees.
Still working on that.
Oh, jeez.
It's gonna take some practice. Whoa!